This week we're working on graphic sources. A graphic source can be a map, a timeline, or a chart that you use to help gather information about a story to help you understand a story. So here is the map or the picture that they're giving us. We have France, we have the Mediterranean Sea, and we have Egypt. And then we're going to use this compass rose to be able to um, answer more questions. So it says Paris is where scholars studied the Rosetta Stone. In which direction did the Rosetta Stone travel to reach Paris? So here's Rosetta Stone. It's in Rosetta, Egypt. So to get to Paris over here, it had to have traveled which direction? I'm going to use the compass rose. So if I'm here, I know I have to go north to go straight up, and then west to make it over here to Paris. So the answer should be northwest. What separates France from Rosetta, Egypt? So here's France again. Here's Rosetta, Egypt. What might be in the middle of these two places? At the mouth of what river does the Rosetta lie? So here's Rosetta, and I want to know the name of the river where I would find Rosetta, Egypt. What does the caption tell you? Here's the caption right here. What makes it so important? You'll read the caption and you can answer that question. Cross off number 5. We're not going to do number 5. On the back side, you will find compare and contrast. Remember, compare is to tell how two things are alike or similar. Contrast is to tell how they are different. For compare, we like to use words like and as. For contrast, we like to use words like however, although, or instead. So you're going to read the passage about the Germans using the Enigma machine for creating coded messages during World War II versus the Americans creating or using the Navajo code for World War II to create messages. So I want to know how were both languages used? How did the Enigma machine code work? What was the Navajo language? Why was it a good choice for the coded messages? And how was the Navajo language code very difficult from the Enigma machine code? And then you can cross off number 5. You're going to get all of these answers directly from the story. You just have to make sure that you read the story. If you need to, go back and reread it a second time. But all of the answers are directly from the story. Let me know if you have any questions.